First of all, start with the great name of Allah, who is alone master of entire universe. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. My name Faraz Hussain Bykas Jamali. I am a student of BS English 2K19. I have chosen my topic for the presentation, that is the history of English language. This presentation given by Sir Hussain Ali Kumbar Saab. I want to start my presentation. I hope you will listen to me carefully and attentively. Origin of language. What is language? Language is a system of arbitrary symbols by means by which social group cooperates. Language is the expression of ideas by means of speech sounds combined into words. Words are combined into sentences. This combination answering to that of ideas into thoughts. We don't know exactly when language was originated, but we different speculations regarding language origin. Speculation refers to formation of theory without evidence. Due to lack of historical records, we have multiplied the sources of the origin of the language. Language has come from different sources. Divine sources. This theory says that language has come from divine sources. It is believed that Allah Almighty created Adam with the ability to speak language and gave names to things. Hindus believe that language came down to us from to the positive results are not made to verity. If it is true of just speculations are there. The Bow theory. This theory explains that languages originated in imitations of natural sounds such as those of birds. The Lala theory. The idea that speech emerged from the sounds of inspired playfulness, love, poetic sensibility, and song. This theory claims that language developed out of sounds clearly humans made while playing and wordless singing. Conclusion of this topic. All available theories do not demonstrate what is it the origin of language, but it is clear cut that people in past used some gestures to produce sounds. This topic is complete. I start my second plus third topic. Writing invention. Long ago, before writing, people used to talk each other and share their ideas or information through spoken word and storytelling. Drawing of animals and found curves are painted onto cave walls. 13,000 old. Purposes of writing such drawings is not known. Much later systems of writing have been invented in different parts of words. Some early cave arts, the earliest writing seems to have been used to keep record of property. How many animals do you have or land? How many mares of grain your neighbors on audio? Example, a token with shape of coin and a cross curved on it indicated a sheep. A coin-shaped tokens indicated mare, a corn, and egg-shaped indicated a bottle of oil. Kilai tokens for trade. Later these coins become similar as today and the head symbol on them are to indicate this animal or a team they represent. Number system developed so that simple and single coin could be used to represent 10 or 20 objects. Early writing. Some historians agree that one of the first groups of people to start real writing and not simply cave pictures were the Sumerians. The Sumerian civilization. Sumer was an ancient civilization founded in the ancient Greek time. The Sumerians writing. They made great progress in writing. They kept records of taxes. And second, they wrote down laws. And third, they worked out for calendar. And fourth, they divided the day into 24 hours and hour into 16 minutes. Sumerians pictograph. Sumerians writing started about 15 years 5000 years ago as pictures pictographs that represented that they were. The pictures were curved into clear tables and tablets. Cuneiform writing. Later, pictographs were simplified into straight lines made using a wedge-shaped stick called stylus, and the writing is called cuneiform. Earliest writing Egypt. At the same time, Egyptians started their own writing system. This topic is complete. I start my fourth topic. Language. The importance of the language. Language is the powerful weapon of the mind. Because without this powerful weapon, we can't complete in the shape of the humanity, and language create the many languages with the help of the language, with the help of the tongue, beneficial to everyone for the every time, and the perspective of the actions, everything in the life. And many writers had written language theories, but they are not written the language. We can simply understand those are published the language, because the language is save our mind, live our mind every moment. The language is the satellite of the word and the schematic thought of the mouth for the speaking. Language is the system of the life. Language is the idea of the life. Language is the action of the life. Language is the best art of the life. Language is the connection of the life. Language is the emotion of the life. Language is the instrument of the life. Language is the miss of the life. Language is the effect of the life. Language is the love of the life. Language is the development of the life. Language is the power of the life. Language is the behavior of the life. Language is the culture of the life. Language is the function of the life. The language perfect perform the function, letting development other people know the thoughts, ideas or emotions. Language serves multiplicity and the role play the model purposes, and the language distinguished acceptable men from the animal world. Because of the language, me can who can share ideas, educate themselves and improve their lives. Language helps the human society to keep evolving. Language has allowed for societies to be built, not estranged, and the physical works domination, but on cooperation and the exchange of the ideas, thoughts. Language is the specific strong memory, because the language always exchange the nature of the knowledge, education, literature and the society. What I say about Language give us advantages every time in our life. Language makes the reason of the life, and the language is the theoretic of the life and the schematic knowledge of the mind. That's all.